Hello, Lions. It's Miss Lambert. I am going to give you a quick video tutorial on the new citation tool within Google Docs. So what you can do is you can start your Google Docs. So this one is formatted in MLA. And so what you can do is you can come up here to Tools, and then see right here where it says Citations. You can click on that Citations. I'm going to have to move this little video over here. Okay. So you'll notice here, I've already got some citations that I've pulled from one of the resources in Mac and Via. And so what I'm going to do now is you'll notice I've already started entering them in over here as sources. And the reason why this is handy is if you need to do in-text citations, whether for MLA or APA, let's see, or Chicago. So you can do any of those three citation styles in here this way. So if your teacher's like, you need to do your in-text citations and not just cite them at the end, then that's what this video is particularly helpful for. If your teacher just wants a works cited or a references page at the end and you don't have to do in-text citations, you don't need to mess with this. Just use the templates that I provide in Mac and Via. But if you're going to do in-text citations, this is helpful. So you'll notice I've already entered in my first two, this Anderson and Burke ones. And so now I'm going to show you how to enter in a citation source, and then I'm going to show you how to do an in-text citation and how to insert the bibliography. So if you have your sources, then you're going to click on this Add Citation, and then you're going to say what it is. Is it a book? Is it a section of a book? Is it a website? Is it a journal article or a newspaper? So if you are doing anything from the resources in Mac and Via. So if you're using like the Gale High School one or Opposing Viewpoints or ABC Clio or EBSCO or any of those, you are going to choose journal article for those sources because you're getting them all from what we call a database, which I just call them resources, but you're getting them from there. And so you're going to need to put them into here using the journal article feature. So I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to click online database. Now, if you are doing a website, obviously you'll choose website, and then it will default to website. But if you're going to choose journal article, then you have to select, is it a print, website, or online database? So in our situation, these are an online database. So now I've got the author information here. So I'm just going to start you can type it in, you can copy and paste it if you want. But I'm just going to show you how to enter this in. So then there's only one author. So you'll notice on this one up here, there were more than one author. So if there's more than one, you're going to have to click the contributor to add another one. And so now I'm going to copy and paste the title of this article, which is right here. And then I need to say the journal article, which is right here. So the information kind of just goes right in order of what you're typing in. So there's no volume, there's no issue, there's no pages. There is a published year, 2020. There's not a short title. There's not a standard number. And then the database, however, is Gale in Context, Opposing Viewpoints right here. And so I'm going to put that in here. And then I do have the URL. So I want to put that in there as well. And then access day. So I accessed these, on the 28th. I was like, what was yesterday? And then access month was October, and then access year was 2020. Okay. So now I've entered in all the information. So now I'm going to click Add Citation Source. And so now I have this one in here. So now if I'm typing some information, and I'm just gonna pretend that I've gotten some information. So the Supreme Court is ruling on this in the summer of 2020. So before I put in my period, I'm going to now come over here to this cite button right here, and you'll notice it says insert in-text citation. So I'm going to click that button, and because there isn't a page number for this, I'm just going to close it. But if there was a page number, I would put in the page number just like that. And then, and now I'm going to close my sentence with my citation living right inside of it. Now, this is just if you need to edit it or if you need to delete it. That's what the three dots do. Okay. And so also, I'm just going to go ahead and insert a page break right here and pretend that this other works cited isn't here. And let's say these were my three sources for this. I only had three. Then I could go insert bibliography, and you'll notice that it inserts it just like that. Okay. Now, this would be if you didn't just copy and or you could do that way. Okay, so that's how you do an in-text citation. That's how you enter in the source, and then that is how you also insert your bibliography using the new citation tool. I will also show you something really quickly, that if you're using stuff from the web, you can click that little explore. You can also come up here and click on the explore, and then you'll notice it's going to start pulling topics from your paper. And so I'm just going to go ahead and put in a search topic there. And so now it's going to show me web results. Okay. So let's say that I wanted to use this one right here. What I can do, I want to make sure it's MLA. And what I can do is this is going to add it as a footnote, which if I wanted to do that, I could, but now I've got this source here. And so I'm going to go ahead and undo that really quickly. And I'm going to click on this. And again, if you're here and you click on it, you're going to have to come up here to your Cite This For Me and grab the citation, or you can use the one from the footnote. But then you'll have to come back to your tools, citations, and you're going to have to add a source. So then I would click website, and then I could add that information. So I'm just going to come down here. And actually, I'm going to put it right here. And so I could add this here, and then I could do in-text citations from it like that. Okay. So just a couple of things about how to use citations within Google Docs. If y'all have any questions or you need any help with this, don't hesitate to email me. Reach out to me. I can schedule a Zoom with you if you need help. But hopefully this video tutorial was helpful. All right. Good luck, Lions.